And here we have Esmeralda, little girl, huh? Getting her breathing pill. Here, take that. Like a nice little girl. Yes. There you go. A little bit of water to blast down. And now here's the good part. This is for her flow vent. She puts her goggles on. Let's see how this works. There. Isn't she cool, huh? Isn't that cute? The little Esmeralda. So then, she gets her, what we call her space mask. It's an old mixed nuts container over the head. Put the flow vent, shake it up a little bit, and 15 seconds per blast, for 2 blasts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and yes, she is still in there. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That's long enough. Now let's take off the mask and let's take a look at the camera. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? Sure. Sure. Now it's breakfast time. Here you go. Here's your breakfast, and that's it.